That's a weird looking Dodge. Restored. Today on Dead Dodge Garage, we lovingly restore the 70 D300 to original factory specifications. On today's episode of things that make perfect sense and need no further explanation. Yeah. I feel like I called it, but anyway, there's some gunk clogging the seat. Ugh. Seriously, it's amazing. It doesn't look great in here, but I'm willing to live with it. All right, fine. We'll at least get the big chunks out with some carb rebuild in a can, which is actually the second cheapest brake clean money can buy. Delicious. Oh no. Hey, if your state-of-the-art restoration shop happens to be in the grass, no judgment here, but try not to drop stuff. At least not irreplaceable stuff. Just saying. Man, newfound level of excellence here is just beautiful. Hey, that's a rebuilt BBD if I've ever seen one. If I just write myself an invoice, does that count? Now, you know, in the first video, I already built myself a key switch, which I've improved on since then. But, you know, the one nice thing about this is it'll give us full voltage cranks. So, yeah, I guess it's worth it. I just noticed something about this truck. Wow. Of course, this one over here, you know, little different than that. Now, I know I've mentioned this before. The batteries on these swept-line models in particular like to go cowabunga into the cooling fan, so make sure you belt them in for safety. Now, this is a beautiful setup, if I do say so myself, and I think it works. Heated and seat, maybe not. Maybe I need to hit it with something. However. Oh, come on. Be good. That's not what I had in mind. As many dumb things as I do, I need to invest in like 20 batteries, 8 gas cans, 5 inline fuel pumps, and maybe like 100 jump boxes. Took me quite a while to remember this. Well, I mean, anyway, it's back there somewhere. Oh, look at these beautiful hatch covers. Depending on the way the universe works, you may see this video before this video. I guess we'll see. Note, I have no intentions of fixing this anytime soon. How you feeling now? Really? I had to put the phone down and use both hands. Why is it so bad though? Huh. Gross. Oh. Whoa. That's weird. Well, that sucks. More on that later, I guess. Maybe it's time for points in a condenser. I don't know. My new random guess, bad coil, because everything in the distributor looks really good, actually. Totally random, probably wrong, but we'll do that soon. For now, we'll leave the key in it, just in case any of y'all are in the area and really want a D300 truck. Would not be heartbroken if it just wasn't here next time I look. Well, I guess that's something. Randomly occurred to me last night while I was laying awake in bed that That Jeep I did the other day wouldn't run because of the fuel I was using. And I was using the same fuel in this. So the good news is it runs now and it'll even move, kind of. The bad news is the carburetor's garbage, the radiator's garbage, there's no charging system, that door won't shut, the bed only goes part way up, and it smells like dead things.